The next weather forecast really is all about a transition between the two because you do have a combo of rain and snow that goes with it. 20s for lows tonight start setting us the stage for the next evolution of our winter, which, actually brings us back to it being winter. First off, our next big system is next week on Tuesday. That's kind of the main thing. It all starts Monday night into Tuesday, and it continues up through Tuesday night. But each period of it is very different. It'll start off as snowfall, so you'll have snow on the ground Tuesday morning. It changes to rain during the day, and it will end as snowfall Tuesday night. The amounts of each are very up in the air still, very dependent on the storm track. But snow amounts, of course, while they are dependent on that, we at least have an idea of where things break down. The thing that I'm willing to put a pin in completely right now is the wind. It is going to be windy. We're not talking about the windiest conditions ever, not at all, but it's a windy day. And you add that to the fact that even though our high is going to be in the upper 30s near 40, any bridge and overpass, especially with the wind going underneath it, the wind chills will all be below freezing. So that means that icy roads are definitely going to be an issue. Is it the coldest ever? No. Is it going to be the windiest ever? No. But when you add these issues together at the same time, it just makes it a bit rough. We've seen worse winter systems than this. We just haven't had much at all this winter. That's kind of the main point I want to drive home, is that, it's finally the return of at least something for us. So the two tracks we're looking at right now really focused on either this track, the blue one right here, which would give us that rain and snow combination. If it decides that it wants to shift once we start what we call sampling this with weather balloons tomorrow, we're going to get raw data and actually be able to get this thing out of the Pacific and on land to start measuring it. That could give us this more southern track. At that point, it does become an all-snow event on Tuesday, but that's not what looks the most likely at this point. But I want to give you the two options we're looking at. Aside from that, this weekend does give us some scattered snow showers. We've got a couple tomorrow, but the bigger one I would say is going into Sunday morning. Gives us a few snow showers here. Those continue through tailgate time. Sorry, everybody. Just warm up next to the grill, right? And then we get a chance to dry out after that, but it leaves us with a couple tenths of an inch on the ground. It's all under an inch, but it's a reminder that, hey, we are looking at colder air and we've got some snow showers to work with. The other part is that while Tuesday's that bigger system, there's another at the end of the week that we're going to have to keep a close eye on. We might not be done with snow for the week once we get through Tuesday.